greatest gift to man, one in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming of
Tell us something, girlfriend.
you.
What's up, AC gang? It's a girl Abby, and guys, I'm telling you, say your girl will come back with a prank them. As you can see by the title, what am I gonna do? I go pretend like I go take my boyfriend money and see him reaction. Alright guys, I already set up one camera. Guys, I can't stay long. I'm gonna peel one orange for me and I'm so come back. Yeah, so make sure to spam the comment section. Team Abby, subscribe to our comedy channel Abby and Kepo Comedy TV because we so start post prank over there. And follow us on Instagram down below. Subscribe to my channel Abby's Monday. Subscribe to Kepo's channel Kepo's TV. Spam the comment section with Team Abby. I'm gonna set up the camera now because I'm so calm. As I say, alright, stay tuned.
What do you right there do? What do you do?
Nothing. Now fix up the bag.
What do you do? What you do?
Kepo, may I fix up?
What money? What you going back for?
I fix my bag.
What you going back for, B?
May I fix my bag? Your bag Japan.
So why you don't think them for?
But now I ain't nothing. A friend, but that's why.
Back the bed now? What you think back for?
Leave the bag there on the bed.
Abi, you focus your money for, B. You don't leave a long talking. Why is your money for?
The bag there on the bed.
Why
And
some
it jump
money?
off. So I'm going to take it up and fix my
So money in your clothes. Why clothes up so?
Boom lah. So you chase some your teeth. You chase some your teeth.
Abi, I have shoes in
Yeah,
the bag,
boy.
you know.
Your bag.
No, push my bag. I have shoes in the bag, you know. You really have a number of something them?
Yeah, boy, your bag there on the bed and it drop out. So I'm say, alright then. Now
Abi,
put
stop
my
it.
things them in the bag.
My friend. Come on, Charlie.
I don't
We have
know.
more money in the bag, you know.
Your money drop, your bag drop
Oh,
on.
my bag wish on the bed. I didn't left on the bed.
You put it on the bed and you
When?
don't remember.
When?
You put it on the bed and you don't remember.
Come on, I'm not sure my bag.
So what you try to say? My thief your money, I thief your money? That's what you try to say?
How much is it?
That's what you
How
try
much
to
is
say?
it?
That's what you try to say? That's what you try to say? I thief your money? Nobody want to look $150 there?
People are making the same, you know.
No, we are a team of $50.
I be rich and bag, big man thing now. Rich and bag a bit. Because we can't think for
Your bag was here.
I'm going to order for them. I carry back 3 bills. I'm not
Your bag was here. And you know me ever diving out of bed. So I'm a diving so and the bag bounce off of the bed. I'm say right, take keep a bag drop off.
Stop being family, man.
So come here, take out the money now. Take out the bag, bro. Take out the money now. And they walking by. I'm sure you frightened me. You frightened me.
Oh, you're afraid if I got trouble, if I take up bag from somebody.
You know me is a friend. So that's some friend.
Yo, see
Yeah, so what you try to say? Me thief your money? $50 at that?
I'm saying, you know, baby, I can't trust you, you know. The other thing, but you want pin for car, they're bright. Fucking thing, I laugh. But you want pin for man car, you're joking. You know what they say? If you me laugh, you
No. Wait, for that joke I said. You actually think somebody thief your money?
People are missing a bit.
Yep.
Now, everything. People are missing.
Alright. So
$50
maybe-
$50 missing. Aye.
Somebody thief $50 from you. That's what I try to say. That's what I try to say. We thief $50 from you.
But if you get the bag then,
But
you
tell
don't
us
have
your
my
bag.
bag.
Your bag fell on the floor.
Bag the lock.
And the money them
Bag
drop.
in lock.
Your bag them
Bag
on
in lock.
and
Bag
big
in
and
lock.
up. Left you
Bag.
see you one of your compartment.
I do something a while ago. Bag the lock, Abby. I got them boy you have that back.
So you say me, where you say me a thief? Where me a thief? Where me a thief?
Where show me money for?
Come here, me need $50.
What the fuck? Abby.
With the one bag of $150 them.
Yeah, become style from a day now. If me tell that boy you want pin number for car, pin number for car like them and for you that. You make them like a pin number? Eh?
So
You not trust them with it?
suppose someone on the road where somebody have access to your pin card.
We give it to man on the road.
Oh, yeah, go, what you mean? Suppose you're unconscious and you can't remember
You
now.
have to go guess and figure it out. Cause if you have go trouble man,
So what you say me a thief for $50, that's it?
but you're gonna back up, you're
Yeah,
gonna
but you
back
fucking
up. Oh,
back.
the money reaching your close side a while ago. Just take 50. Bomba. No, I don't. You fucking thing. No, I like me at this.
But when you
How money is it though?
when you fat,
No, how money is it? When you don't have anything, yo.
Wait a-
I mean, we don't know that. Yo, oh yeah, you live on it.
when you fat, me,
Bomba.
but not laugh.
No, that's you with them bag. Hey, man, no, yo.
But
I'm here trying to work on instinct.
I make it seem like say me a
See
thief.
that
and me a thief.
100, 200,
Yeah, make it seem like say me
$300.
a thief and me's not no
You must
thief.
have more money for me to know.
Yeah, I start off like, I know me I take offense. Me I laugh at everything, but no me I take offense because it's serious now. When me I go look at thief $50 for, you back jump on the friggy when I say I take up your money, same time you come in and you catch me. I'm a friend, so when I'm friend, I'm going to go and put the money in. Yes, sir.
I don't know you're talking about like to lie. Oh, the more rich. Wait, say friend, I come on this up.
Yes, sir, and put it there, so that's why they been four up. Watch your man laugh like it's a joke thing.
That's today.
Come on, we do not like
That's today. We don't need
we
clothes.
do not like when people make assumption about me.
I mean,
Because I know you tell me as a $50 thief. You want to some people who thief $50?
$100
$50.
$50 show. We get $50 show. We can't believe they got to the right. We could ask for the money. We could ask for the money. What's the man? But big man thing, I mean, I'm sure say
I'm not sure you either.
what me do?
Now if you're going to accuse me of thieving $50, you don't make sense. You don't make
Petty
sense.
thief, you. Petty thief for people like you.
You don't make sense, Cap. I'm serious. Stop calling me thief, because I never thief none from you yet.
I can't believe me with it.
I never thief none from you yet.
You tell me for copy orange because they want to come thief my money.
With the orange there.
Me not see orange yet.
I never want to thief my money. As you say, I jump on the bed and the bag.
Yeah, but before you chat, man.
Stop trying at me.
You're not laughing things.
That's why you're at a rise.
You say you're thief, when you find a thief in here, thief in Pitney. I say, bro, that is a appointment, man. I'm laughing to you, I can't believe it, sir. They need me to text from my day, bro. Kepo, let me hear this now. Kepo, give me, You now give my PIN number. Never.
That's why I got dead on the road and oh, they're not going to find money for burying Batty boy.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Just don't say you're not got my PIN card. Here? Can't trust you. So you say I go back and take up things and then you lying thief.
I really think I'm going to do that.
So where's the number?
Blood clot, it's like him deaf. People him deaf. I say, but jump on the bed and your bag drop off. So I suck on one time I look down and say, oh, your money drop out of the bag. So why not take it up now and put in the money? You walk come on and your friend, I say, I suck on the jump and the money drop in there, so. Yes, sir, drop.
Abby,
Come
between me
on,
and you?
but now laugh.
Between me and you, I think if I'm out there, they're renting up. That meant to do. Them look at me right now.
You tell me I got thief, alright then.
What you doing right now?
You tell me I got thief.
What are you doing,
You tell
Abby?
me, I tell you something, I fix your freeing bag, what do you mean?
So
Who
all
are the
money
thief
reach
is there?
in
Who are
your
the thief
pants.
is there? Who are the thief is there? But
Yo,
I'm friend,
yo,
I'm going on
you
my
are
pants.
$50, you. Obviously you. Look how you dress.
Come on, Jess.
Me don't know, but they have this money.
Look at boy.
No, come chat out, come chat out.
Don't act like some man think you're pussy. You're pussy. It's a prank me I try to put for your pussy. What do you have to about? You can't trust me. You don't have to about. You can't trust me.
Jump over there,
You
jump in.
frig up there. You frig up there.
Okay, one, two, three.
It's a prank me I try to put
Look at your finger, man, yo.
It's a
Stop,
prank me I
stop.
try to put.
Don't make you eat that shit, right? Do it again, man. Swing your face
You
about
are
it.
weak. It's a prank me I try to prank you. But then you have to come down where you can't trust me. In a brain say, what?
You're not trustable.
Nobody wants you $50 from you.
From 180 pounds, but you want a PIN number.
Nobody wants you $50 from nothing, boy. Look here. Look here. Where?
This
Yeah,
is
there. Look there. I'm going to some money them there somewhere. Give me money.
Abby,
With a 50.
this everything in your door.
Give me one prank.
This everything in your door. Don't it? They come and show up with this. What is this?
Yeah, I'm going on my eye.
You phone share man and want to book prank again.
That bird said, man, I want $50. What is that?
Why you keep on laughing?
Guys, I know I know say, care about it, but I will dream compete from a talk show. What kind of man is this? What type of man is this?
Take piece of orange, Abby.
Team Abby, pan a dirty boy. What is some dirty boy with them care for? I want some nasty boy with them care for. That Jesus. We need to stop flinging off my wig, you know. And so, yeah, guys, I want this boy. This dark, sir. Yeah, guys, if you enjoyed that video, just pop the comment section with Team Abby. I want some dirty boy with them care for. Team for boy $150.
Yeah, tell the truth.
Them boy, the money can't compare to my money. Them boy, money, they soft. Yeah, and so, I'm bad. Yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe to Abby Akepo Comedy TV for more pranks. Answer. Subscribe to Abby's Madness and subscribe to Nasty Kiapo Stevie. So until then, guys, your girl Abby is. Your girl Abby is. Bye.